Picture this. You've built an amazing robot with perfect programming, but when it tries to lift a small object, the tiny motor just whirs helplessly. Or maybe it moves so slowly that watching paint dry would be more exciting. That's your robot crying out for simple machines. Simple machines are like superpowers for robots. They don't create energy out of thin air. That would be magic. But they're the next best thing. They take the energy your robot already has and make it work smarter, not harder. Let's start with gears, the workhorses of the robot world. Think of gears like the gears on your bike. When you shift to a big gear, it's harder to pedal, but you get more power to climb that steep hill. When you shift to a small gear, pedaling becomes easier, and you can spin super fast on flat ground. Robot gears work exactly the same way. Here's the cool part. When you connect a big gear to a small gear, engineering magic happens. The small gear spins faster, but with less strength, while the big gear spins slower, but with incredible power. It's like having a volume knob for your robot's strength and speed. Dial up power when you need to lift heavy things, or dial up speed when you need to move fast. Different types of gears have different superpowers. Spur gears are your basic workhorses. Bevel gears can transfer motion around corners. And worm gears are the security guards. They can't be turned backward, so they lock in place perfectly. Perfect for robot arms that need to hold position. Now let's talk about pulleys, the smooth operators of simple machines. Ever raise a flag on a flagpole? That's a pulley system! In robots, pulleys are amazing because they can change the direction of force and make heavy things feel lighter. When you connect multiple pulleys together, you create a force multiplier. Sure, you might have to pull more rope, but the load feels much lighter. It's like having a robot assistant that helps you lift. The total work is the same, but it feels easier because it's spread out. And then there are levers, simple machines that have been helping humans for thousands of years. A lever is just a rigid bar that rotates around a point called a fulcrum. Move the fulcrum closer to the load and you get more lifting power. Move it farther away and you get more speed and distance. Robot arms use levers all the time. But here's where simple machines become absolutely incredible, when you combine them. Most robots use multiple simple machines working together, like a perfectly choreographed dance. A robotic arm might use levers for joints, gears to control precise movements, and pulleys to lift objects. When you're designing your robot, think about what each task requires. Need speed? Use gear ratios that favor speed over strength. Need lifting power? Use pulleys or gear ratios that favor strength over speed. Every time you design a robot that lifts more, moves faster, or grips better than its motor alone could manage, you're using simple machines. These tools may be ancient, but with your creativity, they're powering tomorrow's technology. Ready to give your robot some mechanical superpowers?